Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Today my group will present about our product designer. Before that, to our lecturer for DUE 30022 Communicative English 2 and her name is Miss Aisha Humaira binti Abdullah. Now we go to the next presenter.
Assalamualaikum, and I'm here today to talk to you guys about our product. So, before I start the presentation about our product, I would like to introduce all the members of our group, which is the first member is myself as the presenter one. Nurul Maisarah binti Roslan, and my matric number is 17DIB21F1027. Our second presenter is Nur Nazirah binti Kamil, and her matric number is 17DIB21F1055. And the third presenter is Nur Shuraya Azianah binti Takib, and her matric number is 17DIB21F1049. The name of our product is Mr. Safety. The type of our product is footwear product. Function of these safety shoes is number 1. Protection against falling object. When working in a busy, fast-moving environment, it's important that workers not only need to wear protective clothing, but their feet are protected from possible crushing injuries. Moving and lifting heavy objects, such as in an airport environment, has the risk of objects falling on workers' feet. Safety shoes with reinforced toes can help keep workers safe. Number 2. Protection from sharp and dangerous objects. There are situations where workers have to walk with sharp objects on the floor, such as nails, glass, and so on. Workers can accidentally step on sharp objects. In a situation like this, but a safety that has a thicker base and thicker anti-penetrative material can provide better protection. It can protect the sole and surrounding of the feet from being pierced and penetrated by sharp objects. Number 3. Protect from hazardous chemical liquids. We all know that chemical liquids are very dangerous, so we automatically do not want our feet to be exposed to the liquid. When our feet come into contact with chemical liquids, our feet will injury. Therefore, the use of safety shoes for laboratory workers is highly recommended. Number 4. Protect from hot things. The top and side of safety shoes are not only made of leather, but also made of thick metal. With that, these shoes can protect the feet from being hit by hot objects. Many hot objects are produced in a space, such as electric welding factories and others. Characteristic of these safety shoes is the color of the shoes is black. This black color can prevent easily visible dirty on shoes. The available size of the shoes is 36 until 46. This shoes is only for adults because these shoes are special for workers such as conductors and others. The thickness of these shoes is 2.5 until 3 centimeters. These shoes are thick to prevent the feet from being hit by sharp objects. These shoes are waterproof. The shoes will not get wet if water is spilled on the shoes. The type of shoes is leather that does not tear easily. These shoes are expected to be used for 30 years or more if used properly. These shoes have a penetration-resistant steel midsole. The fit of these shoes user can avoid injury to the feet.
Now I will talk about product sketching from different views. Okay, the first from the side view of safety shoes. These shoes do not have a heavy pattern for workers, especially contract workers, and these shoes are only available in one color, which is black. The second one from the front view of safety shoes have a strap that are not break easily and is regularly when doing quick throat work. Okay. The third is from the top view are safety shoes. They have soft and comfortable soles for long-term use. And the last one, now let we look at the bottom of the safety shoes. It can be seen in the drawing that there are many patterns, the purpose of which is to stabilize the wearer and walking on slippery surface. Okay everyone, like the video we just watched, we can see the features of this shoes. While our product also have features like this, but there are some additional features such as the leather of these shoes is not easily torn when doing throat work, and also these shoes are waterproof and suitable for use on rainy days because our shoes product will not increase in weight compared to the weight the previous shoes. Now I will explain how this product will attract customers or solve their problems. First of all, it can protect against electrical hazard. As we know, customers who work related to electricity are always on the brink of death if they step on the wrong wire. So, our product can help customers avoid electric shock that could potentially result in the electrical spark in the electricity generation area. The second, avoid skin burns. Our product, for example, from fire, fuel cement, and so on. This product is suitable for workers who make houses and tall buildings and others because our products are made of fireproof and extreme temperature material. Last but not least, quality versus brand. Our product prioritizes quality, and usually if a brand is famous, then is a high probability that the safety shoes are from the best brands, but don't forget the price you should pay. However, that doesn't mean safety shoes like our cheaper products aren't worth buying because they can compare with top charting well-known shoes brands. Therefore, each product will definitely have its own strategy to attract customers, not using more for less strategy. What is that? More means the advantage of these shoes are many as the previous presenter explanation, while for less is the relate to the price. Meaning, here the Mr. Safety brand can be owned by all groups for B40, M40, and also T20. So far, This is all my explanation, and I will pass to the next presenter.
Now I will give an explanation about the difference or comparison between safety shoes and sneaker shoes. So the first difference is for the safety shoes, it has a rubber sole which is known for its extreme endurance and durability. The rubber sole on these safety shoes provide the best grip and traction on almost any type of low surface. In the process of working in some special industries, workers need to wear special anti-static shoes to enter the work area to reduce the danger of static electricity to the work environment, so as to better eliminate static electricity, but also to eliminate some effects of static electricity on the work environment. For sneakers, it uses soft sole. Workplaces need to take stricter precaution to prevent workers from falling or slipping, so these sneakers are not suitable for heavy work. Next, the safety shoes using higher quality insulating material such as anti-static materials. The basic purpose of anti-static is to prevent or minimize component hazard caused by the mechanics and effect of static electricity discharge during the manufacture and use of electronics, components, and equipment. While sneakers using common materials such as textile and artificial leather. Skin burns from fire, chemicals, cement, and so on can happen in the workplace. If employees wear sneakers, injuries and accidents can happen in the workplace at any time because the shoes used are not suitable as flame retardant material and hot temperature. Third, the safety shoes is specially designed to protect the safety of the user's feet. Workers who carry heavy material or operate heavy machinery or vehicles have a high risk of harming their feet. Therefore, these shoes are able to avoid injuries to the feet caused by heavy material falling. While sneakers shoes are more aesthetic, comfortable, and stylish, lightweight, and other functions just to meet the needs of users. Therefore, we cannot use ordinary shoes as safety shoes for work. We should consider the actual condition, such as work and work environment, and choose the right size safety shoes to ensure the safety and health of workers and themselves. And the last one is safety shoes is more suitable used in places such as construction, laboratories, and machinery manufacturing plants. In industrial workplace involved with manual labor, workers are forced to stand all day on rough and hard surfaces such as concrete. Safety boots equipped with anti-slip that can prevent workers from falling or slipping, especially when walking on wet and slippery floor. It can also prevent workers from falling off the ladder. Therefore, these shoes are suitable for workers in laboratories and manufacturing. While sneaker shoes suitable for use in places such as mall, park, classroom, and others. Shoes that are worn every day are usually used for walking and are used in areas where there is no risk of big feet. In situations like this, safety shoes with thicker soles and thicker anti-penetrative material can provide better protection than sneakers. There are situations where worker needs to work with sharp objects and on the floor such as nail, glass, and so on, so sneakers are not suitable for workers. Therefore, proper footwear at work is very important. If you want to buy safety shoes in bulk or for your employees, choose our product, which is Mr. Safety Shoe.